Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So here in this video I'm going to show you how you can catch the fish fossil in Fish It Roblox. So the first fish fossil is one of the rarest item in Fish It, and you can just watch this quick guide to find the secret desert spots and the exact tool you need to dig up this ancient relic. So first, as for the location here, as you guys can see, I've already inside the Esoteric Depths, and this is where I got the fossil. So you can just watch or go inside the Esoteric Depths and fish in here, and this is where I got the fossil while using the ghost fin rods and the singularity bait. So try your luck and find the fish fossil. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.